Okay, I'm going to put my new Gransfors Bruk axe to work. Got this the other day. Beautiful, beautiful, very, very sharp axe. Gonna start.
Look, that one's working. This one ain't.
Gonna start. Sorry, go start again now. This is my new Gransfors Bruk axe, and I just got this the other day. Gonna take this chainsaw out, start working with the log. We just got a swarm, and I'll use this axe just to finally chip away inside. Let's give it a go.
Look at it.
So when you chop the end off, you're going to get this kind of soft pulp in here. See that there? That's really where you want to be putting your chainsaw in there, because if you know anything about chainsaws and you get the kickback, it may or may not make you look prettier. But anyway, this is a beautiful piece, and I'll show you later why this is going to make a really good beehive. I'm going to start diving into this now. This is a great axe, very sharp, very handy. Can get it right in here in the deep. And I'm sure I should have better axe technique, but I don't. But I'm willing to learn. I don't want to learn the hard way, if you know what I mean. See, this is why you go for the rotten or the partially rotten logs. They're a lot easier to work with, and then when you get to the hardwood again, you're not going to go anywhere with it. Okay. I'll show you. It's not bad so far, is it? Gonna go all the way deeper down in here. So I got an entrance here, here, and here, and a pretty big one here. So I'm gonna use my beautiful, very sharp axe. I'm gonna cut this down and insert this in here and then trim it off. If you're out in the woods this is exactly what you need to have, this little wilderness axe, because it's a beaut. It took me 2 minutes to do. Alright, well, I'm not finished yet. This axe has a 20-year warranty, but I'm sure that if something goes wrong, it's probably going to be my fault, the way I'm using it. I'll just buy another one. Right, I'm going to chainsaw this off. Here we go. Fitted in there nicely. In this top hole here, I'm going to work with this, plug this hole in here, and then I'll thin it down so it creates an edge, and that'll be like a top bar that comes across here. Oops, comes across here. Gives them something to build on. So this is how it looks. Whoa, let's see if we can see down there. There we go, all the way down. So this apparently should work out to be about almost 15 gallons of cavity space. Okay, got a little bit extra to do here.
Hungry yet?
All right, this is the final product. It took maybe about an hour and a half, I guess, but absolutely brilliant. I plugged in there, but you can still see they can go right through there. So that's a bar. That'll be the main entrance. I plugged part of this up too. Look at this. Finally, the queen took to it. It took me about 2 attempts to get the queen in there, and there they go. Off to the races. Come on guys, get involved in beekeeping. You will not regret it. Look at this.